Hello everyone and welcome to our another episode which is about personal brand statement, how to write one and make it stand out. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Livy Ltd, the leadership transformational company for entrepreneurs, founders, CEOs and leaders who wants to upgrade their personal brand or even create it and also switch their mindset towards the high performance through strategy and health. So let's take a look at this personal brand statement and how to write one that stands out. So personal brand statement is really important thing, and don't worry because it will evolve with you as you grow, which is a really good one. Especially don't feel under pressure, but it's really important, especially if you use LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere where people do business, where people show up with their personal brand and they have product, they want to make money with the personal product through the personal brand, and they want to make money with the product. They need the personal brand statement because this is the first line that you have on your social media platforms. So this is usually the statement, I help marketers to understand marketing, for example. This is brand statement. I mean, I would expect from you to then publish a content for me as a marketer, for somebody who studied marketing, for somebody who do marketing, that you put visuals, carousels for me to actually understand what is marketing, what are the trends, what is like deeper meaning probably behind. You also will apply probably some humorous content, etc. So this is the personal brand statement, which is really important for your business, for people to actually understand it and even remember it. Because if it's easy written, if it's really simply written, then people will remember it. And this is what we want to achieve with the personal brand statement. So let's take a look how to write one. What you will need for the personal brand statement is to understand who you are. So really write who you are. Like, are you marketeer? Are you founder? You are who you are. Like, write one sentence about who you are. Then write one sentence about what you do. Then for who you do it, so who is your targeted audience or who is your ideal client? So is it real estate managers or is it the IT people? Who is your ideal client or audience? And the fourth one is, what is the added value that you are providing for people? So for example, making marketing humorous. I mean, like, everybody loves to laugh. I love to do content about marketing. Let's do this. So you will need these four things for your personal brand. And then you will make the formula, I help the audience. So for example, I help marketers. Then with what? So I help marketers to understand marketing. And this is your brand statement. You can also make it more punchy with the added value. So for example, I help marketers to understand marketing within the 90 days through the mentorship program, for example. Or I help stewards to fly faster around the world and make money digitally while they are working in the sky, for example. So this is the brand statement, personal brand statement. You want to create this formula and tell people really simply what you are helping them and what you are offering in this brand statement. The good thing, what I said before, is that this is changing with you. So as you grow in your career, in your business, with your products, this can change along the way. So just don't overthink it, put it out there, and you will see where the market will actually navigate you. The good best practice is to make it within the 20 words. So don't make it too long. So don't put all of these 4 sentences that we wrote together in one big one. No, just 20 words is enough. You also want to exclude the buzzwords such as, I don't know, like don't put there AI if you are not using AI. Then also a good one is that you should make it authentic. So really make it yourself. So if you are using some specific language, make it really conversational. Don't make it too complicated. We want to make it simple with conversational language. We want to use your words that you are using. We want to make it authentic. And really good practice is that you say it loud. So say the sentence loud to yourself if it feels natural, if you can actually pronounce it right, and if it is something that you would be able to say to, for example, 100 people in one day, because this will happen, my friend. This will happen for sure. So this is how you craft your personal brand statement. You answer these 4 questions, you make it simple, you make it conversational, you make it yours, and this is the personal brand statement where it boards. So this is all from today's question that you have asked us in the comment. If you have some other questions regarding leadership or personal brand on LinkedIn, let us know in the comment and we will make it one of our episodes. We are actually publishing these episodes on daily basis on marieolivier.com in the section article. So click there if you want to know more about LinkedIn personal brand or leadership. And don't forget to hit the subscription and notification button on YouTube and get in touch with me on LinkedIn, because I will send you the free personal brand template that will help you with ideation. Just let me know that you're coming from this exact episode and you will get it. So thank you so much. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, a leadership transformational company for founders, entrepreneurs, and leaders who wants to upgrade and create their personal brand and switch their mindset towards the high performance through the strategy and health. And I will see you next time in another episode. Bye.